Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at advanced micro devices? This is ticker AMD. Now, AMD is in a near-term uptrend. It's above all the key moving averages, but some of the moving averages are still out of order. We have the 8-day exponential here on top, 21-day, then we have the 200-day and the 50-day lingering underneath. So I want to see if the 50-day moving average can actually cross up and through that 200-day moving average, and that could happen if AMD is able to get above and stay above 174.65. So I think that 174.65 level is pretty important here on AMD, and I have an alert right at that zone looking for a move through coming on volume. If that happens, this stock could be actionable for a trade. And if that trade continues, we should see the 50-day moving average cross up through the 200-day moving average. Now, the last time that happened was back here in March of 2023, and we saw the AMD trend chug higher. So if earnings come in positive at the beginning of August, and the 50-day moving average is able to cross up and through the 200-day moving average, then I think that AMD could be an interesting trend trade where you hang on to the stock to see if it can test some of these highs in and around 166, 175, 186, and of course near the all-time high. So if this trade can continue, there's a lot of different zones here that the stock could retest, but first it's got to get above and hold above 175.64. So that's just one of many things we're looking at over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that's helpful. I'll see you next time.